How is the IELTS scored? Well, the IELTS result is prepared on a 9-band scale. In addition to the score of overall language ability, IELTS provides a score in the form of a profile for each of the 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. These scores are also reported on a 9-band scale. Each overall band score corresponds to a descriptive statement which gives a summary of the English language ability of a candidate classified at that level. The 9 bands and their descriptive statements are as follows. 9. Expert user. Has full operational command over the language, appropriate, accurate, and fluent with complete understanding. Level 8, which means a very good user, has fully operational command over the language with only occasional unsystematic inaccuracies and inappropriacies. Misunderstandings may occur in unfamiliar situations, handles complex, detailed argumentation as well. Level 7 is a good user who has operational command of the language, though with occasional inaccuracies, inappropriacies, and misunderstandings in some situations. Generally handles complex language well and understands detailed reasoning. Level 6 is a competent user who has generally effective command of the language despite some inaccuracies, inappropriacies, and misunderstandings. Can use and understand fairly complex language, particularly in familiar situations. Level 5 is a modest user who has partial command over the language, coping with overall meaning in most situations, though is likely to make many mistakes. Should be able to handle basic communication in own field. Level 4 is a limited user who has basic competence, is limited to familiar situations, has frequent problems in understanding and expression, and is not capable to use complex language. Level 3 is an extremely limited user who conveys and understands only general meaning in very familiar situations. Frequent breakdowns in communication occur. Level 2 is an intermittent user who does not have any real communication skills, and level 2 is an intermittent user with no real communication, where level 2 is that of an intermittent user. No real communication is possible except for the most basic information using isolated words or short formulae in familiar situations and to meet immediate needs. This person also has great difficulty in understanding spoken and written English. Level 1 is that of a non-user who essentially has no ability to use the language beyond possibly a few isolated words. And level 0 is of someone who did not attempt the test at all, where no information is accessible or provided. Hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more handy tips and tricks and to access other IELTS related resources, please visit helloenglish.com/IELTS.